क्लास 9 साइंस. मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर. टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट biodiversity and classification. In this, basically discussing on the Kingdom Monera and Kingdom protesta. Let us start. So first, why do we need classification? हमारे लिए क्लासिफिकेशन जरूरी क्यों है, इसको भी समझना जरूरी है. Why classification becomes necessary? Because it is easy to study about the living organism when they are classified into various groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. So it is necessary for our life to classify all the terms. Now let us see here grouping and classification, why it is necessary. Plastic scales, books, pen, test tube, wooden block, lens, plane mirror, piece of glass, piece of plastic, rubber ball, cricket bat, rope, needle, wooden scale and pencil. How can they classified? It is necessary to classified into various groups. So it is easy to study to all of these objects. First of serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and naming the group: wooden things, cuboidal things, plastic things, iron things, glass things and rubber things. Now take one by one karke. So in this wooden things, that is the book, wood block, cricket bat, wooden scale and pencil. They are belonging to wooden things. And the cuboidal things, books and wooden block. Now plastic things, as you have seen, plastic scale, pen, pencils of plastic, piece of plastic and rope. All are made by the plastic. Iron things, and that is the needle only. Glass thing, that is the test tube, lens, plane mirror. These are the glass things. And the what is the rubber things? It is rubber ball only. So it is necessary to do this. And another way of the classification is like this. It is given on your scale. It is plastic scale, books, pen, pencil. So first of all, it is divided into two parts: those things which is made of wood and those things which is not made of wood. So first of all, things made of wood: wooden block, wooden scale, cricket bat and pencil and books. These are the wooden made. So now those things which is not made of wood, that is the plastic scale, pen, test tube, lens, plane mirror, piece of glass, piece of plastic, rubber ball and rope. These are given in this table. Now it is further divided into two groups. That means things made of glass and things not made of glass. So test tube, lens, plane mirror and piece of glass. This is the made of glass, and this one is not made of glass. So plastic scale, pen, pencil, plastic and piece of plastic and rubber ball, rope and needles. So these are the classification of things. How can classified they? Now come to the next one, and that is the फॉर्मर अटेम्प्ट ऑफ ग्रुपिंग एंड क्लासिफिकेशन. यानी स्टार्ट में कैसे ग्रुपिंग और क्लासिफिकेशन हुई थी, उसके लिए कौन सा बेसिस बनाया था. दैट इज वन, ग्रुपिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर हैबिटेट. इट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. द बेस ऑफ मेन थिंग्स इज हैबिटेट एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म दोज ऑफ लैंड्स और वाटर. और ये लैंड पे रहते हैं, वाटर पे रहते हैं, इनके लिए. सो फर्स्ट हेयर इज द बेस इज द लिनियन हेरिडिटरी फॉर मैन इज, यानी मनुष्य का पदानुक्रम, इसको देखते हुए इसको बनाया गया था. तो फर्स्ट किंगडम, दैट इज द एनिमिलिया. इट इज मल्टीसेलुलर इकोटिक न्यूट्रिशन स्टार्ट विद इजेशन ऑफ द फूड. नाउ फाइलम, दैट इज द संघ. इट इज द गिवन एज अ संघ phylum, and that is the chordata. In this vertebral column is present. Pair of appendix is present. Now class वर्क क्या है इसका. मैमेलिया, हेयर ऑन द बॉडी, इनकी बॉडी पे हेयर्स होते हैं, एंड एक्सटर्नल ईयर्स, कान होते हैं बाहर की तरफ. नाउ ऑर्डर, सो प्राइम, इट इज ऑर्डर प्राइम, दैट इज अपोजिबल थम्स, उल्टे थम्स होते हैं, उल्टे लगे हुए थम्स होते हैं. 5 फिंगर्स होती हैं इन 5 फिंगर्स इन ईच फूट एंड हैंड प्लाम, यानी चपटी तली होती है. फैमिली क्या है इसका, दैट इज द होमिनिडल. that is the bipedal and movement, and ganis that is the ones homo well developed brain से ये डेवलप होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Then species that is the spans. Now come to the next one. It is euglena and it has both type of category. It belong to both. That means euglena is a such organism that shows both animals. Yeah, that means it shows to animals and it is also shows to plant character. Why? Because there is present of chloroplast which made the food with the help of photosynthesis, and it can be depends on the other things. So it is chloroplast does not have a cell wall and acquires food both autotrophic and heterotrophic. That means कि ये अपना भोजन बना भी सकती है, फूड बना भी सकती है और दूसरी जगह से भी भोजन ले सकती है. So it is most important organism. So you can learn this very important portion. Now come to the what are the kingdoms and write the details about them. So this is the answer. Vertical classifications. Vertical classification. What is the vertical classification? That is the RN verticals. The entire living organism, it is divided into 5 parts. The entire living organism has been divided into following kingdom. That is the it has the 5 parts. And first one is Kingdom Monera. This one is Kingdom Monera, and this is the Kingdom Protesta, and Kingdom Fungi, and Kingdom Animalia, and Kingdom Plantae. So these are the 5 things, 5 categories in which the organisms are divided. Now, how can they divide? It is here. It is given in your chart. So living organism, it is divided into 2 parts. First one is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Then the prokaryotic is unicellular. This one is unicellular, and in this is the Monera, and it is your first category. Now in the eukaryotic, it is further divided into 2 types, unicellular and the multicellular. Unicellular is protesta, and that is the second classification. Now come to this one. Multicellular is again divided into 2 parts. First one is with cell wall, who has the cell, and without cell wall, who doesn't have the cell wall. So it is further divided into 2 parts. First is can photosynthesize and cannot photosynthesize. That means they can make own food, but they cannot make own food. So it is your plantae. That is the third one. And the fungi, that is your fourth one, which cannot photosynthesize. And without cell wall, that is the Animalia. There is no cell wall, so Animalia is the 5. So you have 5 categories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, first is Monera, second is Protesta, and third is Plantae, and fourth is Fungi, and fifth is Animalia. Now come to the next one. So let us start one by one. And Kingdom Monera. So first is that is the Kingdom Monera. Why it is Kingdom Monera and what is the property of this? So first one is unicellular organism, lack of nucleus member. इसके अंदर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होती है और आर प्रोकैरियोटिक होती हैं एंड क्लासिफाइड अंडर दिस किंगडम. इस किंगडम में क्लासिफिकेशन होता है इनका जिसके अंदर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होती है, लैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेम्बर. Now come to the second. Organism may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Means they can make their own food or they depends on the others. Now come to the third point. Cell wall present around the cell membrane. सेल वॉल जो है वो प्रेजेंट रहती है सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अराउंड में, चारों तरफ उसके सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती है. नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट. देयर सेल वॉल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑफ द प्लांट्स. ये प्लांट से डिफरेंट होती है एंड इज मेनली मेड ऑफ पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन. Peptidoglycan, it is a compound formed by protein and carbohydrates. That means it is a compound which is formed by the help of protein and carbohydrates. And the example is given here. First one is bacteria and that is the cyanobacteria. These are the 2 examples for the kingdom of Monera. You can see the figure of these type of kingdom. So this one is, these figures are, first one is equal, second one is biculus and thracius, and this is the cyanobacteria anavena. This one is, you can see this figure, so you can draw the figure in your copy. Now come to the second one, and that is the kingdom of protesta. What is the property of this? How can they divide in this group? All the organisms that kingdom are unicellular. It is the most important. It is the unicellular with nuclear membrane. मीन्स ये इसमें न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन्स होती है अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस के चारों ओर, और यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स हैं, ये यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स हैं. सो यू हैव रिमेंबर टू दिस. Organisms can be both autotrophic and heterotrophic. That means they can make their own food and they cannot be made their own food. They depends on the others. Now third one, all the life process are carried out within the cell. इनकी सारी लाइफ जो है वो सेल के अंदर ही होती है, not outside. For example, it is amoeba, paramecium, entomibia and euglena. And you can see the figure. So you can draw the figure in your copy. That is the amoeba, and it is automoeba, and it is paramecium. So you can draw all these type of figure in your copy, and the figure is on your left hand side. Now come to the questions. You have choose the first question is choose the question. So what happened? Choose the correct answer in the classification. What is the identification character is not essential. Members of the classification share maximum similarity. It is the most that is the correct answer. And the membrane of the class do not have similarities, and there is no basis. So all are the wrong answer, and the correct answer is only B. So now come to the second, a dicotyledons plants, that is the onion, grass, banana or mustard. Mustard is the correct answer. Now third one, a character not similar to birds and fishes. Presence of body compartment, egg laying, presence of orbital, and the presence of, and that is the correct answer, presence of wings, because birds have no wings and fish has no wings. So similarity. So come to the question is correct. Now ये इसका आधा पार्ट आपको करा रहा हूँ, नेक्स्ट पार्ट जो है मैं आपको अगले वीडियो में दूंगा. तब तक जो है आप लोग कॉपी बना लेंगे और इसके क्वेश्चन सारे करने की कोशिश करेंगे. इस चैनल को, ये मेरा वीडियो जो है इसको सब्सक्राइब करके अपने काउंटिंग दीजिए, कम से कम प्रेजेंट शो करेंगे, और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करो जिससे वो अपना कंप्लीट कर सकें, होमवर्क वगैरह जो भी कुछ इसमें कंप्लीट करके अपना लेसन रखेंगे.